your fund will be lost. Yes, if you have not my last video, so you can go to my YouTube channel and watch my last video. We are going to trying uh, connect our trust wallet with the other website. That's at the phishing website. The caution is shown in front of me so that I close. So if you are going to connect any website, so please keep in your mind you don't use phishing website, otherwise your fund will be lost. Okay, in this video we are going to use our trust wallet with two big name wallets, like first of all OKX wallet and second is Bitget wallet. So how can you use or how can you import your trust wallet to OKX wallet and other wallet? This is so simple and easy. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So you can see here, I have opened my trust wallets. If you want to install OKX wallet, simple click on it, and after that you simple click type here OKX wallet extension. You can easily go from website, official website, but I just simple type here because I need to cover two walls on this single video. You can see here there is option available crypto ISO. This is official website and this is the Google Chrome extension. So I'm using Google Chrome, so that I just simple click on it, and then you can see here the OKX wallet extension is shown in front of me. I already installed in my system or my browser. You can see here right top corner the icon shown here. And if you have not installed, you just simple click on add button. You will be shown here, means your front of you shown here the add button. After that install your system, then the button shown remove from Google Chrome. So I already installed in my system, so that I'm going to just simple click on it. And now you can see here your portal to the Web3, and there's two options available here. When you are going to install in your browser, so you will see there's two options. First is create a wallet, second is import a wallet. So I need to import my trust wallet with the OKX wallet, or I need to use my trust wallet with OKX wallet. So simple click on import a wallet. When I click on it, so there's two options available here: seed phrases and private key and hardware wallet. I have seed phrases, so that I am going to click on seed phrases. Now the wallet is going to open in front of me, and I need to put here my all seed phrases, 12 seed phrases. So open my notepad file here, and you can see here my all seed phrases here. I just simple copy and paste here. My all seed phrases shown here. Now click on confirm button. Before going to confirm, you check your all phrases okay. Yes, I think all is okay because I just simple copy from notepad file to there. Simple. And now biometric authentication or password. This time I am using password authentication, not using biometric. And now enter the password here. Now again enter my password here. You can see here shown here strong password. You must apply your strong password when you are going to create any account, like your bank account, because if you need to save your fund from scammer or hacker, you must apply this scenario. Confirm, and now start your Web3 journey. Now as you can see here, I have successfully import our trust wallet to OKX wallet, and I can easily use. Let's suppose I want to deposit any amount on this wallet. Simple click on ethereum, and you just simple shown here all your addresses here. So I hope you properly understand. So now we are going to cover our second website, that is Bitget. So type here Bitget, yes, Bitget wallet instruction ये shown here. You can see it shown here. Simple open, and you can see here click on it. I have already installed, but I check I have create account or not, otherwise I will installed. Yes, I have already installed. Simple click on it. If you have not installed already in your system, then you can perform this method. Simple. When open the Google Chrome extension, you simple click on add button shown on this area, and after some time your extension will be download and install in your browsers. So when you installed in your browser, so what will you do? Simple is that you just simple click on icon of this website, and then there's two options available here: create a new wallet and import an existing wallet. So I have already my trust wallet seed phrases, and I want to use my trust wallet with Bitget wallet, so I just use second option. Second option is available here. Simple click on it, and now the pin code is used to verify your identity. Bitget wallet does not store it for you, so please keep it in safe. So first I need to enter my pin code, 8 digits. So I have entered my 8 digits pin code or 9 digit pin code. It's depend on you. Okay, going to click on sorry, does not match. Now I have entered, I think I typed some wrongly. So again, now type again here, I think same. Now you can see here I need to put here all seed phrases. So where I want to find, this is a my notepad file. Simple copy and paste here, and next. Now my wallet is going to importing in my trust wallet, sorry, in my Bitget wallet of my trust wallet with the seed phrases. You must have your seed phrases, otherwise you can't do otherwise you can't perform this action. Okay, the wallet app has been updated to the latest version. You can try, it's depend on you. I just simply try. The wallet is imported successfully. You can see here, viewers, my trust wallet is import is successfully in this Bitget wallets, and you can use two wallets other, like you can use your trust wallet with OKX wallet, and you can also use with Bitget wallets. This is so simple and easy. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowallets.info@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. I must read your comments, and I hope I will resolve your problem. So viewers, before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.